I will show you 10 steps to start your six-figure sole proprietorship business. First, do what you love. Passion is the driving force behind any successful entrepreneur. When you love what you do, you're more likely to put in the time and energy needed to make your business thrive. Second, keep a source of cash. Start your business while you're still employed. It takes time for profits to start rolling in, and having a steady income can help you navigate the early stages. Third, you need a team. There's great strength in teamwork. Having a mentor or a support group can provide invaluable advice and guidance. We can handle all the steps to open your sole proprietorship documents on the same day if you expedite it. So don't waste your time and check out the link in the description. Fourth, get some clients and make contacts before you officially launch. Building a network early on gives you a head start and some assurance that your business idea has a market. Fifth, write it down and plan it out. A solid business plan helps you understand and investigate your business idea. It separates reality from expectations and keeps you focused on your goals. Sixth, do your research. Writing a business plan means doing a lot of research. Ask questions, surf the internet, read books, and get well informed about your industry, competition, customer behavior, market risks, and opportunities. Seventh, get professional help. You don't need to be an expert in everything. Use professional services when needed, whether it's for accounting, legal advice, or marketing. Eighth, build your cash reserve. Financing is critical to your business success. Save up if you can, and be open to different ideas for raising capital. Traditional lenders might be cautious with new ideas, so be prepared to explore various funding options. Ninth, be professional from the get-go. Your business should exude professionalism. Get a business card, a website, and a professional email address, and treat your customers excellently. And finally, solidify your legal framework. Make sure your business complies with all laws to avoid future headaches and financial troubles. Register your business, understand the legal aspects for employees, and get your tax issues sorted out. This video is brought to you by LegalRegistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit LegalRegistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Thanks for watching.